Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone screen is not bright and showing some yellowness, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings, then tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, tap on accessibility. Here we are going to tap on display and text size and scroll, find and tap on color filters and disable color filter, and you will get back the bright screen of iPhone. And if you are running iOS 17, then go back to settings, tap on display and brightness, and under brightness you will get an option true tone, turn off true tone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.